The president said it's a fact this country was born in battle. And I wonder what sort of country is born in all that. And I wonder the effect it has on fellas. If it explains anything about the way they are, the things they say, things they don't, the sounds that come out of them when they sleep. 'Cause I've held a gun in my hands, and I've just shot a man dead. I don't know what all of this has done to me or what I have learned, and it's probably for someone else to judge. So I write this all out from the beginning, write down the way we came, through the heart of everything, write down how it got here.